Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to diagnose a dryer. This dryer right here that you're looking at is one that I got for free, and when I turned it on it had an issue. So in this video I'm going to show you guys what I did to fix it and put it back into working order so we can set this up for sale. Alright guys, so here's the moment of truth. I have it plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. So I didn't realize that this piece was in there, so let's go ahead and take this out and see what it does. Alright, let's try again. Alright, so far so good. Let's go ahead and see if it produces any heat. So I had this heat gun here and see how hot it's getting. 57. So let's give it a little bit of heat up. 67, 68. It's pretty cold. Alright, so now that we know what's wrong with the dryer, it's not heating up properly, let's go ahead and take off this cover and replace the heating element so it can heat up again. There you go, and here's the heating element. Let's go ahead and replace it. There we go. Now just gonna put this back on. Alright. Before we put the cover back on, let's go ahead and test it and make sure that this is all functional and everything works and this is actually the problem. And try the temperature now. Now we're at 133, so this is perfect. So just to recap, the heating element on this dryer here was bad, so that's why the person that gave it to me got rid of it, because it obviously wasn't drying their clothes properly. So let's go ahead and put everything back together. Alright, and there you go. That's how you diagnose a dryer. Of course, usually this is one of the most common issues of why people get rid of their dryers, usually because of the bad heating element, so it's not drying your clothes properly, or it's not turned on at all, and that's an even easier fix. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this look brand new again.